What's on, Squad? Diaz here. Today we're gonna be doing the oil change on the Mustang, but we're gonna be using the Restore and Protect from Valvoline. Now I heard a lot of good things about this oil. That Valvoline they came out with it not too long ago. It's called Valvoline Restore and Protect. Pretty much what it's supposed to do, it's supposed to clean the pistons. It's supposed to like I'll read more into it. I got it. I did my research about it. I just don't know all the right terms and stuff like that. But it's supposed to make your engine a lot more cleaner, a lot more better. I'm gonna be doing it with my homie Luis. We're gonna go to his place and use it because at my place we can't do it. I have the jack, but I prefer using ramps just to check the car and stuff like that. I just prefer to use the ramps more than the jack. You know, that's just what I like to do. We're gonna be doing the oil change like normal, seeing if it has any more problems. I don't think it's leaking. I took it to a shop like not too long ago. You know, nothing bad about it, nothing leaking, which is good. We're just gonna drive over there. The plan is to run this oil for like 3,000 or 4,000 miles. I gotta see how long you can run it, but pretty much you gotta do like, I think it varies from your car age. So my car is a 94, so it's never had the pistons cleaned out or shit like that. It's been collecting, I'm guessing, like a lot of carbon in the engine and stuff like that. So the plan is run the oil right after 1,000 miles, because I'm gonna use like a cheap Fram filter or a Super Tech filter. I'm gonna use that. After about 1,000 miles, I'm gonna switch up the filter for like a mobile one, like something really good quality, and then just top off the oil, because obviously, I'm gonna lose some oil with it. And then just go from there. I don't have a camera to check the engine, like to take off a spark plug and check the engine. But what I've been hearing all over everywhere is that it's really good. People really recommend it for older vehicles. So like anything after like 2015 and under to use it. You're gonna do like 4 to 3 cycles of it, and then you should see improvements, hear improvements. It says it on the bottle, honestly. So oh, it's like I added fog lights. Like my fog lights are not working. What the fuck? But just another button was switched off. I don't think I'm in the right place. Ah, I'm in the right place. I see his house already. Alright, so I'm gonna just give him a quick call. We'll see what happens. So let's cut to that part of the video. Sick, we're at the homie's house right now. You can see him right now, or you probably can't. I can lift it from the front, right? Yeah, are you gonna use the jack or do you want to use the ramps? Remember I still got the ramps? I'm down to use the ramps. Alright, bet. Let me go get my Noco shit from the whip. Noco shit? What's that? Yeah, that way we can use the light. Oh, yeah. On God, bet. So this is the lights I was talking about, like fog lights. I added them not too long ago. I wasn't gonna make a video on that just because I felt like it was a little bit more complicated, but these things do work. They're pretty cool. But yeah, we're just waiting on him right now. He's gonna go get the ramps. We're gonna ramp this car up. He's gonna bring a flashlight that he has, and then we'll go from there. Yeah, we're gonna use the ramps, bro. Bro, what if I hit him? Like, who finna miss him besides his dog?
Mataron un inocente, volando él se fue, mataron.
Like, oh hell no.
We gotta switch.
I suck ass at this or something. My mama, you
Andas valiendo verga.
It's a little bit more, the throttle's a lot more responsive than antes.
Oh yeah, no,
So just
sure.
like,
I'll go fucking fly.
slowly put gas on this bitch, dude. Right, so these right here, it's not oil. It's coolant, because my reservoir is broken, right? But other than that, the underbay of this car, ooh, that's fucking cold. The underbay of this car is not bad. It's all good. No leaks. That's just water and shit. Like,
You want gloves?
nah, I'm good like that. Bro, I'll tell you, this something with her life, bro. Like, no. Oh my god. Get paid $40 an hour? I mean, an hour or a day?
A day.
No, bro, you getting scammed, bro. He's scamming his own son, bro. That's crazy, bro. Bro, this. Bro, huh?
He made like 1K in that day, bro, and I get $40 a day.
Bro, just scratch out, bro. Just support it, bro, this way. So this is right here. Valvoline restore and protect. Anti-water protection. Anti-water protection. Anti-water, my dumb ass. So Blake said every 3,000 to 5,000 miles.
To change it out?
Yeah.
So a regular oil change?
Brake pretty much. Here, hold this one.
Yeah, I got you.
It's in there, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
That's a little small tunnel, so slow pour.
Yeah. So it doesn't smell bad. It smells like normal oil. I'm getting every drop, bro. Every drop, bro. Like, you know how much this shit costs? Like $30 fucking dollars, bro.
It's crazy. Just want to protect, bro. Hey, bro, good luck on that 4 suspension, brother. Just do it.
Like a light bar? That'd be sick as fuck.
No fucking way.
No, bro. If you were my tech, bro, I'll fire your ass. But I ain't gonna lie, bro.
Man, bro, what fell down there? Oh, hell no. The Chevy Equinox from earlier, bro.
They dropped someone down there, bro. Oh, fuck. I swear to God.
Damn, bro, you better stay the night, bro. Like, you better get comfy with them dogs, bro. You gonna be here for a minute, bro. Like, fuck.
Where is it?
I don't know.
It's probably fell underneath. I think I heard it fall underneath. Bro, hell, you book a BMW cap and a Ford cap, bro. Like, bro.
Not my car, bro.
Which one?
That's mine. No te va a dar ni un peso. Cállate,
Your
my
grandpa?
grandpa like that, bro. Oh, God. I'm gonna take his ass to Vegas again and be like,
fuck your grandpa.
Alright, bro.
Where's it at? Fell down there, bro.
Oh, yeah, it's right there.
Razor, yeah.
Look at it, bro.
No, hell no, bro. You get that shit, bro. What the fuck,
Come
bro?
on, bro. Whose Mustang is it, bro?
Whose driveway is it?
Alright, bro.
I'm okay, gas, bro.
Free Mustang, bro. Free Mustang.
I'm wearing gas, bro.
Bro.
Damn, bro. You bought a big ass jug of this bitch. Is this 5 quarts or what?
Yeah, 5 quarts. It's the same shit, dumbass.
Oh, it's. Oh, yeah, you're right. You're right, bro. I ain't gonna lie. You're right.
Look at your cat.
Where'd you that, bro?
It's literally right there. Literally right there.
Damn, bro. You that bitch, bro. Kiss, bro. Oh,
Like that one lady, bro, she ended up buying a new one for her PT Cruiser, and you literally cannot fucking. Oh. Yeah.
It does that, don't worry.
That's normal, just. God damn, this shit looks like tight ass fucking foreskin, bro.
Yeah, Chucky. No te cosas ti, Chucky. Alright.
Good, bro.
Oh shit, my bad, bro.
MG. Don't forget the bev. Never,
Nah.
never, never.
What the fuck? Yeah, Chucky. Yeah, what the fuck? All the way. Oh, it's exactly on the dot, bro. Like it's a little bit over, bro. I mean, shit.
Fuck it, but not my car. Alright. Let's go get the paperwork to Scott.
Indeed, bro. Alright, bro. Thank you for letting me use your driveway, bro. I appreciate it, bro. See ya.
Hey, bro, not my driveway.
Your dad gonna beat the fuck out of you, bro. You're fucking away, bro.
Alright, bro.
Bro, your dad gonna beat the fuck out of you, bro. Fuck, bro. Yeah, I got the one in here, bro. Bro, you're not gonna beat the fuck. You're definitely beat the fuck out of you, bro. Like, damn, bro. Here. Clean yourself up, bro. Alright, DJ Squad. That was the end of the video. I hope y'all enjoyed it. So, little update. So far, so good with the Mustang. No complications whatsoever. Everything's, like, so far, so good. I might make a part 2 and see just how the aftermath looks and stuff like that. Maybe buy like a little camera that goes through the spark plugs, you know. But those things are pretty expensive. But other than that, I mean, I really recommend it. If you do your research on it, like everybody says, it's perfect. You do gotta use it for like, I think 3-4 cycles. But after that, your engine should look perfect. And honestly, if if you have like an older car, I say do it. It's not gonna hurt. It's not gonna hurt, you know. But other than that, it's going to be the end of the video. Thank you so much to Luis for helping me out and letting me use driveway. I appreciate it, dog. Hopefully your dad didn't beat the fuck out of you too hard, you know. But other than that, that's going to be the end of the video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Leave a like, comment, subscribe. And I'll see you guys next time.